Let's be real, rejection sucks. You meet someone, you're vibing, and then boom, you get hit with that "I'm not interested," or maybe you get ghosted. It stings. But what if I told you that rejection can actually work in your favor, especially in dating? In this video, we're going to break down how rejection can be one of the most powerful tools for your personal growth, confidence, and ultimately, success in dating. Let's get into it. First things first, how you perceive rejection is everything. Most people see it as a personal attack, a sign they're not good enough, or that they've failed. But what if, instead of seeing rejection as a negative, you viewed it as feedback? Rejection is simply information. It tells you that something wasn't the right fit, whether it's the person, the timing, or the situation. It's not an indictment of your worth. Think about it. Would you want to be with someone who isn't genuinely into you? Of course not. Rejection saves you time and energy by steering you away from people who aren't a good match. It's like nature's way of filtering out what's not meant for you. Instead of letting it hurt you, use it to your advantage. Take it as a sign that you're one step closer to finding someone who is a good fit. 2. Embrace rejection as a learning tool. When you get rejected, instead of sulking or feeling defeated, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Was there something in your approach that could be improved? Did you sense red flags earlier that you ignored? Did you rush things too fast, or maybe not express yourself clearly? Rejection is a powerful teacher. It gives you the opportunity to reflect and improve. Sometimes it's about improving your communication. Other times it's about refining what you're looking for in a partner. Either way, every rejection is a chance to grow. Remember, Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Each rejection is just another step toward getting it right. 3. Rejection builds resilience and confidence. One of the greatest benefits of rejection is that it toughens you up. Let's face it, no one succeeds at dating without experiencing rejection. But here's the secret. Each time you face rejection and get back up, you become more resilient. The next time you approach someone or go on a date, you're not afraid of rejection because you faced it before and survived. And that's where real confidence comes from, not from avoiding failure, but from embracing it. Seneca, a famous Stoic philosopher, said, "Sometimes even to live is an act of courage." When you can face rejection head-on, without letting it break your spirit, you become stronger and more courageous in your dating life. 4. Rejection clarifies what you want. Sometimes rejection happens because deep down, you and the other person simply aren't aligned. But when you experience rejection, it forces you to reflect on what you truly want. Was that person really the right fit for you? Or were you just chasing the idea of them? Rejection can help you fine-tune what you're looking for in a partner, whether it's shared values, personality traits, or future goals. Think of it like this. Each rejection is a filter that helps you better understand yourself and what you need from a relationship. Instead of chasing anyone who shows interest, you start seeking people who align with your values and vision. This helps you avoid wasting time on people who aren't right for you in the long run. 5. Use rejection to refine your approach. Dating is a skill, and like any skill, it requires practice and refinement. If you're getting rejected consistently, don't take it as a sign that you should give up. Instead, take it as an opportunity to improve your approach. Maybe it's about becoming more emotionally available, improving your communication skills, or even working on your physical presence and confidence. Whatever it is, rejection offers valuable feedback that you can use to refine and improve. Ask yourself, what can I do differently next time? The key is to not dwell on rejection, but to use it constructively. Each rejection is like a lesson, and with each lesson, you get closer to finding success in your dating life. 6. Rejection protects your time and energy. One of the most overlooked benefits of rejection is that it protects your time and energy. Imagine if every person you were interested in pretended to like you back, only for things to fall apart later down the road. Rejection, in a way, saves you from wasting time on relationships that wouldn't have worked out in the first place. It's like pruning a tree. Sometimes you have to cut off certain branches to make room for growth. The same goes for dating. Rejection clears the path for you to focus on people who are genuinely interested in you and ready for what you bring to the table. 7. Rejection creates opportunities for better matches. Every time you get rejected, you're actually opening up space for someone better suited to you to come into your life. The more time and energy you spend on people who aren't right for you, the less you have for those who are. Think of rejection as life's way of redirecting you to someone who will appreciate you for who you are. It's not the end of the road, it's just a detour leading you to something better. Conclusion. So, how can you use rejection to your favor in dating? Shift your perspective. View rejection as feedback, a learning tool, and a confidence builder. Let it clarify what you want, refine your approach, and protect your time and energy. Most importantly, embrace rejection as a necessary part of the journey to finding someone who truly matches you. The key is to not let rejection define your worth. Instead, use it as a tool for growth and improvement. Remember, each rejection brings you one step closer to the right connection. If this video helped you change your mindset on rejection, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And drop a comment about how you've used rejection to your advantage. Thanks for watching, and remember, rejection is just another step on the path to success.